Your website works, but it's boring. Let's turn this into this. In the last video, we built our first website using SPCK Editor on our phone. Now let's make it actually look like a real website using CSS. HTML builds the same structure, but CSS controls color, design, spacing, and layout. Without CSS, your website will always look plain. Step 1. Go to your project, tap style.css. If yours already has code, delete everything so we start clear. Step 2. Add style to your page. Now type this slowly. Background color changes the page color. Color changes the text color. Step 3. Now this part is extremely important. Go back to index.html inside the head section and add this. This line connects your CSS design to your website. Without this, CSS will not work. Now tap the green play button. Look at that. Your website now has styling. Let's improve it one more time. Type this under CSS again. Tap preview. See, the heading is now centered. Now your website is starting to look cleaner. In the next video, I will show you how to add colors, buttons, and make your website look modern. So save this video and continue step by step. Bye.